The best leaders don't need to be supervised. They supervise themselves ethically. Some people only behave when they're being watched, but Islam builds a higher level of leadership. We behave because Allah is watching, because there's an afterlife, because we believe in values. And that changes everything. When you know Allah is watching, it changes your tongue and your text and the way you type and your money and your private choices and your promises. ما يلفظ من قول إلا لديه رقيب عتيد. Not a word do you utter except that with you is an observer ready to record, the angels that record. The verse is simple and yet terrifying in the best way. It means your private life is not really private. It's not invisible. Your tone is recorded. Your messages are recorded. Your intentions are being weighed. And here's our Qur'anic leadership principle for today. The best leaders don't need to be supervised. They supervise themselves ethically. And leadership thinkers say it like this: the most effective accountability is internal. When values become your control system, don't misunderstand about transparency and accountability. We're talking about ethics here. The Prophet ﷺ taught us to live with awareness of Allah. And the righteous learn to check themselves before they are checked. This is not anxiety, it's dignity. That you take your soul seriously. In a world of screenshots and cameras and public scandals and AI deepfakes, a lot of people are afraid. Some are afraid of being exposed. But the believer's focus is deeper. It's not, will people find out? But what will Allah say about this? One day, you're going to read your own record. And the most beautiful moment will be seeing the deeds that you forgot. They're accepted because you did them for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Take time today and every night to audit yourself for 60 seconds. What did I say today that I wouldn't want on my scale? What did I do that I would regret? And choose a repair. Whether it's apologizing to people or repaying for some mistake or correcting it or making istighfar, tawbah and repentance. And make sure it's today and every day rather than someday. Accountability is leadership before leadership. And you want to live like you're going to read your own record. Comment below, what do you think is more difficult for most people? Admitting mistakes or fixing them quickly? And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us of those who hold ourselves accountable before we are held accountable. Allahumma ameen.